want to win. 3-5 here as Alyssa Valdez will serve.
What a strong serve from Alyssa. Yan ang maganda, yung mga fluid
line. Ang USA at Ateneo. Sinong mamamayagpag? That is the question. And Alyssa Valdez getting started from great reception.
Well, the place where it all started, huh? 21-14. You were saying? And Lastimosa battling 21-12.
A serve.
Ganda nung setup ni Giselle Tan, no?
Yes. But again, because they're receiving better here in this first set at least.
And that was why yung sagot ni Ella De Jesus doon, napaka-important.
offense. It's if you're Coach Kung Fu, hindi acceptable yun.
Ito sa kanto na nga kinuha, Alyssa there. Si Amy, parang may kulang sa sipa niya.
Kulang din sa karga yung kanyang serve.
Liliana. Pero siya, Laure! Inside!
So both teams, obviously, is working for both teams.
In the meantime, there is that block. It lands, Carmela. Sorry lang talaga. Sa gitna. Ay, sayang. Sayang, ganda ng play ng UST, But napase.
Yeah, they're becoming too predictable right now. Ateneo just reading.
Floyd. Francisco.
By Ateneo earlier. Binasag ng NU para sa kanilang 17-point. Pablo blocked by De Leon and Valdez.
Wow.
And this is where papasok yung determination dito ng...
Kailangan ng isa pang depensa sa likod.
Yes, indeed. The drop.
And this has happened also earlier.
Yes, creating those campfires. Ayun,
Ang laki, it was wide open.
Meneses. Ella De Jesus is there. The drop.
It's that same.
In the air.
That's what really makes her a very efficient and effective attacker.
At saka alam niya kung kailan ida-drop yung ball. Game. 10-8 is the count here. Nice tip. Alive. Out of reach. Meneses with a finger on it. Alyssa ayaw pumasok ng malakas. Kailangan natin.
Yun yung mahirap ipa-over, no? Pag kinukuha mo sa ilalim. Valdez once again, drop shot! UST too late to get to that. Let's take a look at that attack. Alyssa Valdez and decides to drop it just at the back of those blockers. Service good. It will go to Valdez, who drops it.
And once again, yung
Ateneo has been doing that. Doon sila nahirapan. Drop shot mula kay Valdez, buhay pa rin. Violation na yun. Double
violation na itatapos.
Rasmo with an excellent dig. Valdez once again, drop shot! And Valdez! Really go to Valdez.
And si Gisela, I really thought, kasi mas malapit si Bea sa kanya. I wonder how many free balls UST has been giving.
Dami, no?
That's really just finding that hole behind the blockers. You can see, she realized.
Si Joel, sumisigaw na si Bulit.
If you hear what Coach Tayo would say, hit, hit, hit.
Hindi masunurin yung bata, Hit, hit, hit. Hinulog. Good stretch. Becomes a set. I like Valdez. 25-18 is the final count of the second set. The Canadian takes a 2-0 lead. Shaky shake and play. Back with the third in a moment. Yes, somebody doesn't know where the ball is. Valdez tips it over. Matagulo. And even that is scored upon.
Yeah.
Pero dito nawala na rin si Myla.
And Coach really opting to keep her at the bench.
Wow. You talk about reading the defense. It was not a perfect setup. Makikita natin.
A lot better.
Alyssa again. Ginawa ng paraan. Talon si Alyssa na pumipigil sa kanya sa area. Yan, no? Nag-straddle. Tapos
missing. Bam is rejected by Bea. Alyssa Valdez. Amy is there. Porciento time with Alyssa. Alyssa is caught. Alyssa strikes.
Boy, how many games that block?
Magandang read, ika nga. Oh, over reception. Alyssa, quick reaction.
After kanina, maganda yung first ball nila. That is a power hit. Right in play. Alyssa. Said gotcha. Janko. The kick set.
Oh. That one bounced out.
This has missed it. De Leon with fingertips on it. Here is a reverse set. Valdez.
Off the block.
Here's a serve. Alyssa. Oh. Oh. Ultra fast spike, ultra fast LTE for a happy family. You know, Alyssa's just developed.
If you look at Ateneo on the other hand, ang kanilang top 3 scorers, of course, wow, surprisingly, it's
Alyssa, as we check out this ultra fast spike, ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Part for the court safety, Shakies.
What a great angle by
Okay. Valdez back row strike and it is match point.
And yun, with the help of the net, as you see, may mga gigantic na mukha niya, Alyssa, dala-dala ng kanya. But it was a very tight first set, 27-25, Alyssa Valdez scoring the first. And Jessie De Leon with the serve. If it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakies. Valdez.
Oh! But Valdez getting that to go with a short stab.
Attack from Alyssa Valdez, and this ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. The ultra fast off speed combination kay Valdez once again.
Saan pupunta to si Alyssa?
In the lead here is Ateneo de Manila University with 16 as well. At with that attack from Alyssa Valdez. In the meantime, is set number 2 underway. At first 2 points have now care of Alyssa Valdez, and this ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra fast LTE. Basta-basa din pag may time.
Tama. Oh, ayay. And Valdez getting it through the triple block of sunod-sunod yung puntos niya. Napapump up niya
Yeah.
yung team. Diba? And ang nangyayari.
The block.
Yup, and credit Giselle Tan
For that, this ultra fast spike is for the serve. Valdez off the block.
once again. Ayan si Coach.
We go to Valdez.
Oh, and Valdez says, wait a minute.
Buhay pa rin. They go to Valdez.
Oh, and the line to Valdez.
We go to Valdez.
Oh, and Valdez says, wait a minute.
Yeah. And they now have reset it. Valdez, but it is out.
Yeah, but you know what worked against Valdez? Oh.
Yon, steady. Alyssa connects.
Well, you know.
Giselle, Alyssa. Oh, take us through this in ultra fast spike. You know, hindi alam, ano?
Oh.
And it's set.
And block.
Yan, walang duda yan.
Oh.
Spike ultra fast LTE for a happy family. PLDT Home Ultra. Too quiet, Carmela.
Yeah.
Valdez.
Bench.
Ultra fast spike, ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Pagka Tan. Valdez. Yes. Ano pwedeng setter o libero?
Pwede.
Good game with Noreen.
Kept alive.
Sing saves. Giselle Tan cross court. Valdez, first point. Nako, napitin si Jaja. Binalasan ni Giselle Tan. Alyssa Valdez with 3 points in the first set. Ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. Free family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet first low was 999. How do you defend the light? Tignan mo naman yung setup sa kanya rito. Pang poster no?
Yeah, exactly. Ganda na. Good serve.
Tan goes to Alyssa. Tanong gagawin mo ron, Noreen? Nandun naman yung depensa. De Jesus. Oh, wow. 5:19. Giselle Tan has connected with Alyssa Valdez time and again. And so far, it has been an Ateneo show dito sa first set. Serving. Alyssa receiving. Alyssa attacking. Alyssa scoring.
It was all Alyssa in that time. Yeah.
Kung makikita mo, Tom Rabaho sa reception. Jaja was there, but from Jaja. De Jesus. And once again, Valdez delivered.
But that's what Coach Roger is hoping, no? Yung mga hugot niya will play with more intensity. Because he did say in that huddle, this is the final.
The finals, and when you're here, you have to relish it. You have to embrace it. This ultra-fast spike is brought to Ivan. Goes cross-court.
Oh, good dig.
Tan, cross-court likewise.
And Alyssa Valdez again.
All power.
Oo.
Makikita mo para kay Alyssa. Mula sa likuran, mula sa harapan.
Hape.
And yun lamang ng dalawa. Miss hit coming from Alyssa, but still that was in.
Yeah. Because that's what we've been, even the fans have been waiting for.
That's a check ball. Kitang-kita natin yung balak ni Alyssa ron eh.
Oo.
The first best outside spiker. That award goes to, from the Ateneo de Manila University, Alyssa Valdez. The MVP of the Collegiate Conference Season 12 of the Shakey's B-League is, from the Ateneo de Manila University, Alyssa Valdez. Alyssa now with her second MVP award.